a sweet trade pre-market, and I'm thinking, okay, get my stop in there. So why are we in this trade? We're up about $850 on this trade. I don't want to speak too soon, but let me walk you through this real quick. So we let the Maverick AI Pro guide us. So right now we have a red background. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 confidence arrows. Let me zoom in here for you folks on YouTube. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 confidence arrows in a row, just going, hey, heads up, we're flattening out, heads up, we're going to start going down. I love these confidence arrows that show up. So we have a red background. We have gone from bright green and gray candles, which gray means reversal or indecision. Green is your strong up candle. So you kind of just have a mess here from like early morning, 7 a.m. trading. And then we finally break below the Maverick guide. This blue line, I would never trade without it on my screen. When you're above the Maverick guide, you go long. When you're below it, you go short. Let me show you last night's session. Oh my God, you didn't have a close above the Maverick guide for since 8 o'clock last night Eastern time. Look at this rundown. Now, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside candle. If you've ever looked at a candle and you're saying, I wonder what's going on behind the scenes, what's actually going on? Like what other is there strength? Is there momentum? Is there spark? Let the Maverick AI Pro show you that. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside candle. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. So you never want to get shaken out of a trade because you're not sure what's going to happen next. Let the Maverick AI Pro show you, okay? If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Oh, and look, we're starting to get some pink candles here. Beautiful, okay? So when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below it, we go short, all right? So we started to flatten out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 confidence arrows going, hey, heads up, we're going down. 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 You got the red background. You break below your blue line, which is your Maverick guide. Again, above the Maverick guide, you go long. Below it, you go short. And then we went from gray candles, which is indecision or reversal, to red. And now we're getting some pink candles, folks. And I am getting excited about pink candles. Okay, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. My Maverick Multi-X, this indicator right down here, this is looking at 6 time frames. 6 time frames, and I have them all set for short time frames because there's no news that I know of. So I'm just looking not for big long moves. So I'm looking at 6 time frames, the 1 minute through the 15 minute. And you can see I usually have this for the 6 hour. And see this T1 through T5. This is Trader 1 through Trader 5. I want you to think of these as 5 separate independent traders, and they're all voting across 6 time frames. So right now, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. We're up about $1,200 on this trade. Another confidence arrow pointing to the downside. So Trader 1 through Trader 5 are all voting bearish, except for one little holdout here. So instead of having 6 charts on your monitor, I can't do that. I like it all at a glance, and I want 5 other traders trading with me, giving me their guidance and their votes. And right now, they're all voting bearish, and you can see we're up over $1,000. Last thing I'll show you is the Maverick Trender. It is showing a downtrend label right here, downtrend label. Okay, downtrend label. Let me move my stop up, folks. Sorry about that. Downtrend label. We are pegged to the top. When your Maverick Trender is pegged to the top, this is showing strength and momentum. We call these flat tops. We don't pay any attention to the spikes. We like these flat tops, okay? And I'll just show you, like last night, look how many flat tops you had. Let me squinch this down because it was such a huge run down. But look how many flat tops you had from here all the way down to here. Look how many flat tops you had. They were just pushed up to the top. Your Maverick trender was pegged for most of the night. And right now we are pegged bearish. Okay, we're pegged bearish to the right here. We're bearish across 6 time frames, one little holdout. Okay, and we have pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Okay, and this keeps us out of getting shaken out, right? It's doing a little bit of retracement here. You're at the 830. So now I'm just going to watch this trade. As long as we stay below the Maverick guide, let me just see something real quick. As long as we stay below the Maverick guide and we continue to get red and pink candles, I'm staying in this thing. I'm not going to bounce out. Okay, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Okay, and that's it. And now we just watch it play out. All right, it's that simple. Okay, let the indicators do the work for you. Red background, all these down confidence arrows, you're below the Maverick guide. Your Maverick Multi-X is completely red for the most part across 6 time frames, 5 traders all voting with you, all trading with you, voting bearish across 6 time frames. And then your Maverick trender right here, which you can only get being a lifetime member. You can't buy this indicator, this Maverick trender. I love it. We've been crushing it with it. Our traders have been crushing it with it. Anyway, it is flattened out to the top. So this was, I gave this 3 weeks ago, I think, to all our lifetime members for free. Just dropped it to them. So I'm going to keep an eye on this trade. Feels like it still has a little bit more to give to the downside, but I'm not stupid. I'm not going to risk my account. Okay. And I'm going to keep my stop loss at, actually, I'm going to move it to take profit plus 1 tick. Okay, because stop loss plus 1 tick, because I want to pay for commissions. Okay, all right, new candle, another pink candle. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. All right, so we'll watch this thing, and I'm gonna let this sucker ride out. Probably take 1 contract profit coming up here, and take $500 off, and then just let the other one run. Right? Let the other one run. All right. And if you're wondering what this big red box is up here, this is something we're cooking up for you guys. It's pretty powerful. It's pretty powerful. And look how it drew this way back here. And look at the resistance all the way across. I mean, this is from 5:30 till probably got pushed down for about 2.5 hours. It couldn't break this whole level. And that is auto drawn on my screen. So pretty cool stuff. I also know some of you guys have been asking me about my clock here. We're going to be releasing that, I believe, to lifetime members as well. The Maverick Atomic Clock. I like it. I like to know exactly when the candle's turning on NinjaTrader. So we'll be releasing that to lifetime members. And again, all these indicators are available on TradingView as well. If you want clear vision on your charts, if you want to take out the guesswork, if you want to let the indicators do the heavy lifting for you, not financial advice, do your own research, come check us out. Come to our website, read our reviews, see how our traders are absolutely crushing it. Just woke up to 5 emails this morning at 4 a.m. when I was going to the gym of traders just telling me how they're crushing it, passing eval accounts. It's been awesome. Okay. But again, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love to help you crush it. All right. And if you see pink, it will most likely sink. We are up about $1,500. Let me change this real quick so you guys can see. Boop. And we'll go like that. There we go. All right, so we're up about $1,200 so far, and I have pink candles. There's no reason for me to get out of this trade, okay? So if you see pink, it will most likely sink. We're below the Maverick guide. I got all these down confidence arrows. I still have a red background. My Maverick Multi-X is completely red across 6 time frames, and my Maverick trender is pegged to the top, and I have a downtrend label. So I'm going to let this thing keep going. I'll probably take half of it off if it passes this candle up here, and then I'll let the rest run and look for a little bit more of a winner. All right, guys, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.